Welcome everybody. This is my first video where I'm going to discuss the S&P 500 trading for the morning session. Today we begin at 9 a.m. We come in, we see that there's a double bottom formation right here. This double bottom formation then gives us a projection or trajectory of price up to here. The target being 1090.75 is one tick off from the absolute target of 1091. There's now a double top formation that forms at 1091. On top of that, 1091 is also the 75% retracement level. We need to keep that in mind for future reference. Had you missed this double top formation, you could have also sold at a break to new lows right here. Should you have taken this trade, which is the primary swing sell trade, your stop would go at 1091 and a quarter or 1091.50. The primary trade gives a projection of price of approximately 1085. However, the 9:30 opening, where most of the gyrations occur and which I like to trade as a present moment trader, is that there is a low formed right here. This low follows up with a perfect 50%, or excuse me, 38.2% retracement before a breakout. Then we can move the retracement up to the next high, which gives us a 61.8%. Both of these areas are exact buying points to scalp for some profits. The high then becomes a double top. This double top right here is now a sell. This sell signal comes right before, 2 minutes before, the University of Michigan preliminary numbers on consumer sentiment, which came in very negative. The double top foretold a negative sell-off with an objective to take out this low. The low of the day then comes in at 1082.75. The double top projection comes in at 1083 and a quarter. 1082.75, the low of the bar right there, is yesterday's afternoon low. If we switch to a 5-minute chart quick, you can see the afternoon low and 1082.50. This is now a 5-minute primary double bottom by one tick. Since it is a double bottom, we know that there is now an objective to take out the high between the two lows. As such, we knew with pretty high probability of certainty that once a swing buy formed, that the market would have an objective to take out 1092. Let's go back to our 1-minute chart. If we go back to our 1-minute chart, we see that the market does refuse to take out this new low. So now what must it do? It must take out a new high. Looking at the first retracement, now that we are in the 10 o'clock hour, must go deeper in time, we see that we have approximately a 38.2 retracement, or also a minor 75. We see that we now have a 75% pattern repeating in price and in time. As such, we now know that there's a swing buy formation on the chart at a break to new highs. The market now has an objective to take out 1092 and keeps making new swing buys after deep retracements. What's interesting to note is if you would have gotten long here, the market gave a beautiful double top after taking out 1092, which was the overnight high, as we mentioned on our 5-minute chart double bottom. This double top up here then had the objective to take out the low between the two tops, which occurred here, which was also the swing buy entry price from this trade. We can now determine that this is our primary swing, and as such we can determine what the market's objective is. Objective 1 was 1094 and a quarter, which was hit, and now the market has an objective to take out 1098.88. Since I have achieved my 4-point goal for the day, I have reduced my position sizing to one lot and gone flat for lunch. I will stay with one lot for the remainder of the day keeping in mind that we have a very bullish target on the chart. I hope this was very informative, and I will try to do this as often as time permits. Thank you very much.